Welcome back, Catskill.
This is Alex.
And it's Tyler, coming at you with this week's news. We hope you had a good one.
Now let's get right in. We celebrated our fall athletes with our pep rally and homecoming events this past week. What an amazing celebration of our amazing athletes at Catskill.
William Jones, Colin Tui, Brian Keck, Trayshawn Green Cross, Taziah Green, Sophia Barron, Ileana Glover, Yasmin Diaz, Olivia White, Ava Edmond, Shaylin Shook, Ananda Ryman, Alessia Salerno.
The Catskill Educational Foundation is hosting a fundraising event, raffling off a freezer full of locally raised meat and includes a freezer to store it. Tickets are $20 each with the drawing set for Monday, September 30th. Make sure you get your tickets.
We'd like to welcome our new Assistant Superintendent of Curriculum, Dr. Mercer. She has been present in all of our buildings, greeting students and staff. Welcome to Catskill, Dr. Mercer.
Last week, Catskill had their open house. Here's a report.
I'm Lincoln Dixon, the Catskill Youth Clubhouse as a youth peer leader. We're here representing the Columbia Green Addiction Coalition. Basically, it's just helping people who are going through recovery, whether it's drug-related or just abuse or anything like that. Just strive to help anybody we can in the best way possible. And that's all I can really do, support my community. It is important because it brings us all together, it just influences others to do the same.
I am Grace Nesich and I am with Civil Air Patrol. It is Auxiliary of the U.S. Air Force, and you can join at 12. We learn about aviation, leadership skills, search and rescue, and a whole ton of other things. I'm promoting it and hopefully getting more students to join our squadron.
Hi, my name is Skylar Kimmel. I'm here representing the college and the high school program from Columbia Green. It's very important that students can take advantage of college courses in the high school. We're here to offer different college courses in the high school to students. They can take advantage of getting college credit before they enter college. So a great community resource for the community and all of our students, and we're your local community college.
Here at Catskill High School, we have so many clubs which each play an important role in our community here at school. We have so many, but our major ones are Catskill SCCLA, also called Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America. We also have National Honor Society, which does the yearly blood drive. Next, we have Acceptance Alliance, which is our LGBTQ club, and Yellow Ribbon, which is our suicide prevention club. There are so many other clubs here at Catskill High School that provide so many experiences for our students.
Welcome parents to the 2024-25 Catskill Secondary Campus Open House. Thank you so much for coming today and meeting your teachers and being excited for the school year.
Our physical education program is looking for sneakers to share with students. Men's, women's, or kids' sneakers, quality does not matter aside from being PE functionable. Any contributions are appreciated.
The class of 2026 is selling Krispy Kreme glazed donuts to raise money for their class. $12 for a box of 12. Orders and payments are due by Monday, September 30th with delivery on October 8th.
Here's Ella with our interim principal, Mr. Martin.
So what are we talking about today?
Whatever you'd want.
Whatever I want?
Yeah.
Oh
what
God.
happened this week in history?
Well, let's see. There's a couple things. 1780, Benedict Arnold is going to be arrested for an act of treason. He'll be accused of trying to sell the plans for West Point to the British during the Revolutionary War. And that will forever kind of memorialize his name and associate it with, a dastardly act, committing treason. Matter of fact, if you ever visit the Saratoga battlefield, there is a monument there, and it's a four-sided obelisk, and there are arches to commemorate the heroes of the Battle of Saratoga. And there's a figurine on one of the sides for Philip Schuyler. There's another one there for Horatio Gates, and then there's another one there for Daniel Morgan. There were three of the Revolutionary War, American war effort heroes, so to speak. The fourth arch is left blank because Arnold's figure was supposed to go in there, but because he committed treason later on in the war, they left that column blank. What makes history fascinating is it's a story about people, and what people did and how it influenced our lives in the future. But fascinating, for sure.
Yeah.
So how's that?
Good.
Good? There we go. See, that wasn't
All right.
Our school district has scheduled evacuation drill exercises to make sure we are all prepared in the event of an emergency. Catskill is making sure our students are safe and prepared.
What a fun fall sports season we are having. Catskill athletes are competing and representing Cat's pride. Here's Caitie with our sports report.
Sports with Caitie Cummings.
What is your name?
Mariska Newman,
What Catskill team are you on?
volleyball varsity.
What's your role on the team?
I'm a middle.
How has your season been so far?
It's been okay. We have a new team this year, so we're kind of just like getting to know each other, getting to know like how we work on the court and stuff. So it's kind of like a building year, I guess.
Tell us about some notable experience you've had as a part of the team.
Well, since we lost a lot of players last year, it definitely is difficult, like building things back up. So I've kind of had to like step up as like a captain and like really just help everyone like find their way with things. So it's been interesting.
What are your expectations for the season?
I really hope that we just like improve a lot, because we have improved since the beginning. Just keep improving, win more games.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Life Touch will be here this Tuesday for senior portraits. Please see guidance if you have any questions. Senior portraits are due if you want them in your school yearbook.
Here's Garrett with our Catskill weather.
What's up, Catskill? It's Garrett, and this is your weekend weather. Friday is going to be a high of 73, a low of 56 with partially cloudy skies. Saturday is also going to be a high of 73, a low of 56 with partially cloudy skies. Sunday is going to be a high of 73, a low of 55 with partially cloudy skies. Did you know that the Statue of Liberty was actually a gift from the people of France to the United States in 1886? That's all for today, Catskill. We'll see you next week, and go Cats.
Colin and Zach have some wisdom to share in this new segment.
All right, who am I here with today?
Oh, Coach Lampman.
What is a quote you go by, and what does it mean to you?
Well, probably the one that sticks mostly in mind, if it was from Aristotle, who was a philosopher in Greece, or ancient Greece, and he said that education of the mind without education of the heart is not an education at all. And what that speaks to is a very passionate portion of my role as an educator. As you know, in phys ed class, we don't spend a lot of time studying terms, but we certainly spend a lot of time on interpersonal relationships, respect for people in your team as well as people in your class. We talk a lot about empathy, compassion, understanding. Those are the skills that I think that students need when they leave here. I've taught those skills through athletics as well as phys ed my entire career. And it's just a kind of a quote that sort of summarizes, even if you have very good test grades, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're highly educated. It means that even though you may have low test grades, if you have compassion, empathy, and understanding for others, you have the ability to teamwork and work together and grow and respect as a citizen of the country. It'll make our country stronger, and kind of that's sort of what the goal of education is all about.
That's all for now, Catskill.
I'm Alex.
And Natalia. Thanks for watching Cats Can and Cats Will.